Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. 12 infused water recipes for a healthy well-being. A healthy body needs proper nutrition and detox from time to time. While you can definitely get the nutrition from the food, the detox does come along with infused water, if you didn't know of it. What is infused water? For those who aren't aware, infused water is detox water made by steeping several raw ingredients, like fruits, herbs, and vegetables for a few hours at a stretch. Apple infused water. If you aren't aware, apple infused water is helpful in getting rid of the excess body fats, apart from the harmful toxins from the body. It also contributes to regulating the body's glucose levels. Black grapes and lime. With so many available infused water options, this one most definitely takes the crown away, mainly because of the high antioxidant levels it has in the water that helps reduce free radicals. Pineapple and mint. Just the combination itself sounds healthy and delicious, doesn't it? The antioxidants in the pineapple paired with the amazing freshness of the mint has been found helpful for the body. Orange and mint. The combination of orange and mint is quite effective in helping improve the overall well-being for the better. Oranges are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, while the mint alleviates mood. Cucumber and mint. Another amazing and effective infused water recipe that works is the cucumber and mint. Not just it helps with the detox of the body, it also helps get rid of the bloating and signs of indigestion. Lemon and blueberry. If you didn't know any better, you'd actually be surprised by how effective lemon and blueberry is in helping with the detoxification of the body and even energizes you from within. Watermelon and basil. This is not a very popular combination but works just as well for your body. It helps boost the hydration in the body and even helps in rejuvenating the overall body from within. Strawberry lemon. This is not quite an unusual combination, but actually does taste quite amazing that you can't miss out on. It has all the necessary vitamin C and antioxidants, paired with some amazing benefits. Cranberry and orange. Another popular and amazing option for your body that comes in handy is the combination of orange and cranberry. The high antioxidant levels in the combination helps detox the body. Mango and ginger. The combination of mango and ginger is amazing to kickstart your digestion and even promote better well-being that you have been looking forward to. Manage the combination for better results. Orange and grapes. As weird as the combination might seem like, it actually does provide some noticeable results that you can check out by consuming it. Keep the proportion of the ingredients in check. Grapefruit and rosemary. The combination of grapefruit and rosemary might sound a bit off, but it does impose amazing results that you have no idea of. It has a very unique flavor and aroma to it, which again is amazing. Infused water can do your body great. Just ensure that you keep an eye out on the ingredients and the proportion of the same, so you don't end up making it taste bad. Join our WhatsApp subscription for the latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.